Springbok head coach Rassie Erasmus has named a 54-man training squad to kick off South Africa's international rugby season, sticking with the same group that attended last month's alignment camp in Cape Town. The squad includes a blend of experience and youth, with 9 uncapped players among the ranks. The Boks are set to begin their 2024 campaign with a high-profile clash against the Barbarians at Cape Town Stadium on June 28 for the Qatar Airways Cup, followed by a 3-test incoming series against Italy, Pretoria Gqeberha and Georgia Mbombela. Of the 54 players selected, 31 featured in South Africa's successful Rugby World Cup 2023 campaign. The squad comprises 30 forwards and 24 backs, highlighting Erasmus's intention to maintain depth across the park while also nurturing fresh talent. The 9 players in line for potential Springbok debut are Marnus van der Merwe, Nitling Forshey, Asenati Ntlabakanye, Cobus Wies, Renzo Duplessis, Vincent Chituka, Jano Augustus, Ethan Hooker, and Dogozo Makaza. While Forshey and Hooker were part of the national setup last season, Chituka and Augustus were previously involved in the 2020 Springbok Showdown, a domestic trial match designed to stimulate international intensity. Their inclusion signals Erasmus' continued effort to widen the talent pool in preparation for the 2027 Rugby World Cup in Australia. Due to ongoing club competitions, a staggered approach will be taken for player integration, with the Bulls, Sharks and Leinster still contending for the United Rugby Championship title, and several players involved in the Galafa Premiership semi-finals with Bath, Leicester Tigers and Sale Sharks. Not all squad members will report for duty immediately. The first group, including players from Japan, whose season has concluded, will assemble in Johannesburg on Sunday, June 9 and begin training on Monday. The remainder will join once their club responsibilities are fulfilled. 5 players were unavailable for selection due to injury: Frans Malherbe, Elrie Lowe, Ben Jason Dixon, Dion Fourie and Trevor Nyakane. Erasmus said, "We were pleased with 2 Springbok alignment camps we hosted, and we are excited to have the luxury of announcing a squad with so many depth and talent. Having an expanded squad not only allows us to run more efficient training sessions, but also creates invaluable opportunities for the younger players to learn from our seasoned World Cup winners. We used 50 players last season, and this year we are again focused on rotation, performance management and long-term planning." The squad will train in Johannesburg from June 10 to 14 before returning home for a short break. Training resumes on June 15 ahead of the June 28 encounter with the Barbarians in Cape Town, the first time the two teams will meet on South African soil. The Springbok then turn their attention to the incoming series: Italy July 5, Loftus Versfeld Pretoria, July 12, Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium, Gqeberha, Georgia, July 19, Mbombela Stadium. The Springbok training squad forwards are Juno Augustus, Northampton Saints, Luther Jager, Wild Knights, Renzo Duplessis Lions, Jean Lunke Dupree Sharks, Peter Steph du Toit Toyota Fabrice, Thomas du Toit Bath, Ibn Esbeth Sharks, Nitling Forshey Stormers, Cameroon Henegom Bulls, Jean Klein Munster, Vincent Koch, Siya Kolisi both Sharks, Wilco Low Bulls, Malcolm Max Kobota Spears, Bongimbo Nambi Tutuko Mkunu both Sharks, Selman Moret Stormers, Franco Mostert, Honda Heat, Oxenche Sharks, Ruben Noki Bulls, Asenati Ntlabakanye Lions, Kwakwa Smith Shizuka Blue Revs, RG Snyman Leinster, Gerhard Steenkamp Bulls, Vincent Chituka Sharks, Marco van Staden Bulls, Manus van der Merwe Scarlets, Jan Hendrik Wessels Bulls, Cobus Wisi Bulls, Jasper Wisi, Urayasu The Rocks. Backs Lucanio AM Sharks, Catley Arendse Bulls, Damon de Island Wild Knight, Faf de Klerk Canon Eagles, Andre Esterhuizen Aphelele Fasi both Sharks, Sasha Feinberg Mgomezulu Stormers, Jaden Hendricks, Jordan Hendricks, Ethan Hooker All Sharks, Quan Horn Lions, Jocelyn Colbert, Tokyo Senguleath, Jesse Krill Canon Eagles, Willie Leroux Bulls, Manili Books, Thomas, Magazoli Mapipi, Sharks, Dogoso Makanya, UCT, Canan Moody Bulls, Andrew Bullet, Leicester Tigers. Cobus Renage, Montepila, Mon van den Berg, Edwin van der Merwe, both Lions, Damon Wilms, Thomas, Grant Williams Sharks, with season champions returning and promising new blood injected into the system. South Africa's this season promises a compelling blend of legacy and renewal. Under Rassie Erasmus' meticulous leadership, the Springboks are clear laying the foundation not just for success now, but for sustained excellence into the next World Cup cycle. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports.